Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, how to see your Facebook password. Okay, let's get started. First open your Facebook app and now click on the three-dot line option and scroll down. Now click on the setting and privacy and click on the settings option and scroll down. See more in account center. Okay, scroll down. Now click on the password and security and click on the change password and click on the Facebook option and see current password. Okay, next steps. First open your Google and click on the profile option and click on the manage your account, Google account, and scroll down. Then click on the security and sign in and scroll down. Then click on the password managers. Okay, see. Now click on the facebook.com. Okay. See your Facebook password. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.